Idaho is close to getting rid of so-called preferential treatment when it comes to hiring practices. Well, what some call preferences, others would call affirmative action. Representative Heather Scott's House Bill 440 passed the House on a near-party line vote of 55 to 15. It's now in the Senate, and if it passes there and is signed by Governor Brad Little, it would make it illegal for government employers in Idaho to hire someone based on their race or gender, something Scott referred to during yesterday's debate as, quote, only immutable traits that you cannot hide, or rather something you cannot change. Scott says people should be hired based on their job qualifications. I reached out to Representative Scott to ask if there was a need for this kind of legislation in Idaho. As in, what example does she have of anyone being passed over for a job because they weren't a woman or a minority, or vice versa? She has yet to respond to my questions. By the way, a state eliminating affirmative action practices isn't against federal law. The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled they aren't illegal, and 9 states, including Arizona, California, and Washington, have already enacted similar bans. Representative Fred Wood of Burley was the only Republican, by the way, to vote against House Bill 440.